What is adventure?
This is it. And I am it.
And you are it.
And so is that.
And he is it. And she is it.
Or is this?
And it is it. And it is them.
Let's cut.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Rivian, the R2. So what you just seen is the commercial for the R2. So basically, they're going to have live streams on March 7th, 10 a.m. Pacific time. And if you really want to know more information, you can click on get the updates, what I just did. Basically, just fill out your email address, your name, and your zip code. All right. So we go down a little more about this information here. It's like I ask you, wait, what's the R2? So R2 is our new electrical vehicle, and we'll be revealing it for the first time on March 7th. If you're new to Rivian, you can also see how we approach new vehicle design by getting to know the R1T and the R1S. The R1T is the truck, and the R1S is the sedan. They're really nice vehicles. So if you guys have never seen it, you should go there and check it out. And when can I reserve an R2? So we'll be opening reservation during the R2 We'll reveal the live streams. Join us on March 7th, 10 a.m. Pacific time for introduction of the R2 and the opportunity to reserve for yourself. The reservation is $100 and it will be refundable if somehow down the road you want to change your mind. Can I attend the R2 revealed in person? Everyone is welcome to tune into the live stream on March 7th and watch it all happen in real time. And if you want and you need to sign up, you can just click on here. When can I see pricing, specs, and delivery timing? The R2 revealed will be your first chance to learn more about the R2. Sign up, click here. And when can I see the R2 in person? So we have some exciting plans on the horizon. Sign up more. So pretty much here they're not disclosing anything about the R2. So basically they just want us to sign up on the for the live streams, and that's when it's gonna happen. All right. So let's go up here a little bit. Oh, this is something that I just saw. Insurance right here. I didn't know that Rivian's selling insurance as well too, but apparently they do. And a little bit off of not Tesla. Tesla, they insure their own vehicle, but Rivian's, they do partners up with like third parties company, but they do offer you insurance. And if we go down right here, some coverages, and it tells you who they are partnering with. Let's see. We go down. I think someone with Cincinnati, Connecticut, or somewhere over there. But yeah, so you can get insurance through Rivian, and also you can even get your property, your boat, your RTV, so your gas vehicle. So not just only electric vehicle, but other as well too. So here you can see right here more frequent ads about like Rivian insurance. You know, just like Tesla, they know the vehicle, they know the parts. The whole purpose is to make everything in one place and make everything fast and easier for you. And that's what they do. And let's click on who underwrites insurance policies here. It states right here, products are underwritten by third-party insurance providers, including Nationwide Mutual Insurance Company and affiliated companies, and the Cincinnati Insurance Company or its wholly owned subsidiaries. Okay, so those are the ones that are. And can Driver Plus help lower my insurance premium? Rivian Insurance Services has worked with carriers to build products with the R1T and R1S standards safety features in mind. Our advisor can help you understand how driver safety features, such as automatic brake emergency, may help you save insurance. Just like Tesla, they do that have that as well too. And here can use your more than. We take a holistic approach by including not just your Rivian, but other means of transportation, including other cars as well too. So they do many other vehicles as well too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.